Mongega simotenga Gitoi kole mere bone toko chole tokole. In fact, bone kero kelingo basango chikoro kya because Kisi County ekere vacant. Moro chuma na kia ekere very vacant. Na bonda kanya wabasi tikure cha wabasi igonta tikure cha bandoget aba usi kwa chumura. And I'm able to do that. We can transform our county because when you look at the things governor iteko kora okukumetinga Gitoi na nyakonyore chance yo kwambira abantu county yeito umusacho yomo akoenda kugura email Italy agurite email ako negotiate with the Italians with our money from our county while our people are suffering in our county. They don't have water, we have poor education, we have infrastructure problems, we need our employment to the youth. Mumanyagonte binga Gitoi tese ni chikura umuntu ise chikura n'Ongwae. Ongwae olita ile party embe lakini gasia kole neki negasiembe asaba gusi kwa chumura. And we need to condemn that. We have to stand firm, protect our people. That is our property. County ito, the property ya Keromonto or America. You are remittance from diaspora here. I want to diaspora. You give a lot of money to the country. You are suffering. You work so hard. We have to echo devils. Mr. Chairman, I'm sorry. Esa ulia bantu batanga njeti. Tiganti gereigo, kiarando chibirenga libiao biaelire. Ngo chikokora igana akolire.